Next we have the Best Director of the Year award, and the award goes to Dr. Muzammil Moin Ahmed. Next we have the Best Teaching award, and the award goes to Dr. Harjeet Kaur.
Hello everyone, I'm Harjeet Kaur Srao, Principal Rattan Professional Education College, Mohali, and I feel honored to announce that I have been selected for the Education Excellence Award 2020 in the category of Best Teaching Award. I'm really very grateful to the worthy jury members for selecting me for this award. It's a proud moment for me. It really feels great when your efforts and contribution to the society is being recognized and appreciated. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the whole team of Kites Craft Production for organizing such educational events and empowering education. Thank you.
Next we have the Best Principal of the Year, and the award goes to Dr. Abhay M. Shinde.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Abhay Shinde, Principal, Priyadarshini Jain College of Engineering, Nagpur. Feeling honored to share that I got selected for Education Excellence Award 2020 for the category of Best Principal of the Year. I am thankful to Honorable Jury Member for selecting me for this prestigious award and acknowledge my contribution in the field of education. It is a moment of pride and joy. It gives me immense pleasure and motivation to work better. I pay my gratitude to whole team of Kite Craft Production for organizing such a nice education event. I believe in teamwork. Together, everyone achieve more, and this award is a result of teamwork. The main motto of my life is माना कि एक जहाँ को गुलशन ना कर सकेंगे हम, माना कि एक जहाँ को गुलशन ना कर सकेंगे हम, पर कुछ काटे तो जरूर कम कर देंगे, गुजरेंगे जहाँ से हम, कुछ काटे तो जरूर कम कर देंगे, गुजरेंगे जहाँ से. Thank you very much.
Next we have the award for contribution to student development, and the award goes to Dr. Papiya Datta.
Good evening to all of you. I am Dr. Papiya Datta from Bharat Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad, India. I am very thankful to International Education Awards that they have provided me the opportunity to receive this award for student contribution. I am very thankful to my family members, especially my husband, my son, and to my mother, who have given me the support and encouragement to work towards the institution and for the student community. Once again, I thank all the jury members of the International Education Award. Thank you so much.
Next we have the Best Teacher of the Year award, and the award goes to Pushpendra Kumar Rana.
Namaste. I am Pushpendra Kumar Rana, CBSE coordinator from Birla Balika Vidyapeeth, Pilani, Rajasthan. One of the best girls boarding school in India, which is famous for all-round development of a girl child. I am an innovative educator, CBSE master trainer, and NCERT MOOC subject matter expert. I have rendered my services for various national and international educational institutions for the last 23 years. Teaching is my passion, and I firmly believe that the whole purpose of education is to turn mirrors into windows. I feel honored to announce that I have got selected for International Education Awards 2020 for the category of Best Teacher of the Year for my contribution in education across borders. I am grateful to the honorable jury members for selecting me for this award. It is a moment of pride and joy which gives me immense pleasure and motivation. I express my gratitude to the whole team of Kitescraft Productions for organizing educational events and empowering education. I am extremely grateful to the strong pillars of my life, my parents, family, well-wishers, colleagues, the principal of Birla Balika Vidyapeeth, Dr. M. Kasturi, Director Birla Education Trust, retired Major General S.S. Nair, AVSM, and our trustee, Sriyut S.K. Birlaji, for their continuous support, guidance, and motivation.
Next, we have the best teacher of the year, and the award goes to Ramchandra Swami. Next, we have the innovative teacher of the year, and the award goes to Dr. Debashish Roy. Next, we have the best principal of the year, and the award goes to Sanjoy Samanta.
Hello, I am Sanjoy Samanto, Head Teacher, Patrishore Primary School, Paschim Mednipur District in West Bengal. I feel extremely honored and privileged to know that I have been chosen for the Best Principal Award 2020. A heartfelt gratitude to the team of International Education Award for honoring me in the award category Best Principal Award 2020. This award is clearly one of the most significant awards of my career that started in the year 2003 with a passion. This achievement would not have possible without the blessing of Almighty, my lovely family, friends, and my known unknown well-wishers. I like to dedicate this award to my students, my parents, my colleagues, and also all the educators across the world. Once again, I am thankful to International Education Award for this honor. Thank you.
Next, we have the best innovative learning tools, and the award goes to Dr. Vinay Malik. Next, we have the innovative principal of the year, and the award goes to Dr. Satya Prakash Mehra.
I, Dr. Satya Prakash Mehra, feel honored to announce that I got selected for the Education Excellence Award 2020 for the category of the innovative principal of Agarwal Kanya Mahavidyalaya, the college category, head of the colleges. I am grateful to the honorable jury members for selecting my candidacy for this award. Also, it is a pride moment for me, which gives me immense pleasure and motivate to bring the innovations in the education. I am thankful to the Kitescraft Productions for organizing such a wonderful educational event to empower the education. Thanks to whole of the team on behalf of Agarwal Kanya Mahavidyalaya, Gangapur City, Rajasthan. Thank you very much.
Next, we have the award for contribution to student development, and the award goes to Dr. Prashanjit Mukherjee.
Really, I'm very glad to learn that. I have been awarded as one of the awardee of the International Education Award. Thanks, Kitescraft, for giving me this opportunity. Really, it's a proud matter for me for being the part of this International Education Award. And I'm receiving this award for the development of the students, and I do believe that one has to be very friendly with the students, or until or unless they are not friendly with the students, the teachers cannot perform well in the classroom. And that's why I do believe that the students are my best friend. And just at last, thanks my students, thanks to my friends, and thanks again the Kitescraft for selecting me and for making me a part of this international education award. Thank you all, thank you very much.
Next we have the award for contribution to education community, and the award goes to Dr. Hardik Kumar D. Mehta.
I am Dr. Hardik Kumar Dinesh Chandra Mehta, Principal in Nilkant B.Ed College, affiliation by Hemchandracharya North Gujarat University. I would like to thank you so much for this honor for taking Asian International Education of Best Principal Award 2020. I am truly humbled to be in the company of people who have inspired me, who have helped shape my thinking, who have helped me realize the potential of our profession to truly make a difference. Thanks to the jury committee, I learn from the everyday, and they keep me grounded in what as grateful as I am for this honor. I keep asking myself one simple question: what I doing here? I grew up my society. Myself actively principal in B.Ed College with the teaching and research work of education in Hemchandracharya North Gujarat University Patan. I am working as well as B.Ed and PhD guide and examiner. I am a PhD guide of PhD degree in education scholars from 2014 in HNG University Patan. Under my guideship, 2 students are get a successful research for PhD degree, and also 2 students get a successful research in MPhil degree from HNG University Patan. I am also 60 students are get a successful research degree in MEd student. I am chief conductor in one of the biggest exam center of final annual exam in HNG University Patan. My total experience in teaching 15 years in B.Ed College and MEd College. I am also examiner and also paper setter in different B.Ed and MEd courses, and also I am a chairperson in national and state level seminar conducted in Gujarat at different colleges. I have given training as a resource person and expert on population education to secondary and higher secondary school teachers conducted by GCRT Gandhinagar and Diet Mehsana in 2018 and 19. I am a writer and I have published 15 books on different subjects with ISBN number, and among these 2 books are selected by Sahitya Akademi Gandhinagar, Gujarat, and 6 books are selected by Gujarat Granth Nirman Board, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. I have given a service of Board of Study member in year 2015 in HNG University Patan. I am serving work in new curriculum program for 2 years B.Ed and MEd course curriculum in year 2015-16 at HNG University Patan, North Gujarat. I have given a service of member of B.Ed, MEd, MPEd Central Admission Committee in since 2010 at HNG University Patan. I got 2 PhD degree. Among this PhD degree, one of Gujarati subject and second one is education subject. I got Best Principal Award of 2018 IIST Chennai, and second award is Teaching Excellence Award on dated 5th September 2020, and third award is Global Research Foundation Delhi GET Award, the ultimate contributor COVID-19 social service, corporate sector and research academic 2020 on dated 5 September 2020, and fourth award is Institute of Scholars gave me award of Best Principal Award 2020 on date 7th October 2020. I have successfully published the patent. Nowadays, I present a play of drama of Bhavai, work on LCD projector, one of the different subjects like coronavirus Bhavai, and I will upload coronavirus video from YouTube channel. Nowadays, I present a play of drama, work on LCD projector on different subjects like coronavirus, COVID-19, environment awareness, AIDS awareness, dengue awareness, sex education awareness, and save the daughter, save the water, and also Clean City on LCD multimedia companion in schools, colleges and villages. I have made multimedia modernized folk drama Bhavai for first time ever in all Gujarat state. I will do online social activities in public participation for society like this my activities, and dated 1st July 2020 my honor letter for Corona Warriors for my contributors educational and social awareness activities for COVID-19 during pandemic period of COVID-19. These social activities noticed by the various newspaper and Gujarati TV channels publish about my news. I want to salute my parents and educational family members. Thank you so much for the honors of Best Principal Award 2020.
Next we have the Outstanding Leadership Principal of the Year, and the award goes to Dr. Preeti Shrimal.
I, Dr. Preeti Shrimal, feel extremely honored and privileged to receive the International Education Award 2020. I would like to take this opportunity to extend my gratitude to the honorable jury members for selecting me and bestowing upon me the Outstanding Leadership Principal Award 2020. I would also like to thank the entire team of Kitescraft Productions for organizing such initiatives and for furthering the cause of education. Thank you once again. I really feel privileged and honored.
Next we have the Best Teaching Award, and the award goes to Dr. Lakhvinder Kaur. Next we have the Best Biology Professor of the Year, and the award goes to Praveen Kumar. Next we have the award for Outstanding Leadership Principal of the Year, and the award goes to Arun Bangotra.
I am very happy and very excited that I have been selected as a Outstanding Leadership Principal of the Year Award by International Award 2020 by Kitecraft Production Private Limited. This is basically an organization which every year organize such type of activities, and they basically deal in education sector, and they every year organize function and they select some educationist for this award, and I am very thrilled and I am very thankful to them that they have selected me for this award. And this award is given every year, and this year during the COVID time, I think that Government Polytechnic Jammu, they have done a lot through the online mode, digitization mode for the students. When this COVID started and the colleges closed in the month of March, we immediately switched to the digital mode and we started the online classes for the student on Google Meet, WebEx, Zoom, whatever the platform in which the students and the staff were comfortable.
Next we have the Coaching Institute of the Year. And the award goes to Agni IAS Academy Private Limited. Next we have the Dynamic Teacher of the Year. And the award goes to Kalpana Kishore Kumar.
Teaching is more than imparting knowledge, it is inspiring change. Hello everyone, I am Kalpana Kishore Kumar from Brunei Darussalam. I am extremely elated to share with you that I have been selected for the Educational Excellence Award 2020 in the category of Best Educator of the Year. I am extremely thankful to the honorable jury members for choosing me for this prestigious award. This recognition gives me encouragement to work harder in future, and of course it is a moment of pride. I am also thankful for the whole team of Kindscraft Productions for organizing educational events as such. Thank you so much.
Next we have the Teaching Excellence Award, and the award goes to Kalinga Institute of Social Sciences. Next we have the award for contribution to education community, and the award goes to Veenal Chawla.
A very good evening to one and all. Hello, I am Veenal Chawla, a passionate educationist, a mentor, a parent counselor, a storyteller, and an avid learner. I have been in the education field past 2 decades and have taught from KG to PG. With the grace of God, today I feel proud to receive this international award for contribution in education community 2020. I am the founder director of Spectrum Teacher Training Institute, which is internationally aggregated with IAO and aims at delivering world-class trainings to make competent teachers with values and ethics to serve the society. My mission is to nurture playful, joyful and innovative teachers and empower them to make healthy and interactive classrooms. By qualifications, I have an honors in Bachelor of Education and Masters in Commerce. I have done an international diploma in early childhood education. I am internationally certified in phonics training and a certified storyteller as well. I believe anything is possible in this world if you have the right people to support you. With this award, I would like to share deep gratitude for all those people who have supported me. First and foremost, my husband, Mr. Praveen Chawla, who stood rock solid with me. My children, Viprav and Prinal, who gave me courage to dream and achieve. My sisters, Anushi and Apurvi, who gave me the mental strength. My students, who always believed in me, and my father, who gave me the freedom to do whatever I want to. At the end, I would like to say, life is an open book, and only a good education helps you to make successful stories in it. Well, I am helping this world to make more successful stories by making awesome teachers. Thank you very much.
Next we have the award for Top 10 Principal of the Year, and the award goes to Isaac PJ. Next we have the Innovative Teacher of the Year, and the award goes to Arindam Ray.
Hi, this is Arindam Ray from Kolkata. Everyone wants to get recognition, and I am not exceptional. Being a geography teacher, I am really proud to be the Innovative Teacher of the Year. I want to innovate new strategies and techniques for my students. I want to thank my parents and my teachers because for them I am here. I would like to thank my colleagues for their continued support. I am grateful to the honorable jury members for selecting me for this award. I would also like to pay my gratitude to all the team, the full team of Craftspack Production for organizing such educational events and empowering education. Thank you very much once again.
Next we have the Best School of the Year award, and the award goes to Manavdhan Samajik Shanshanik Vikas Sanstha.
नमस्कार, जय भारत, जय मानव. मी श्री प्रकाश सुखदेव कोल्हे, संस्थापक अध्यक्ष, मानवधन सामाजिक शैक्षणिक विकास संस्था नाशिक, महाराष्ट्र, भारत या संस्थेच्या माध्यमातून शैक्षणिक कार्य जे काही सुरू आहे त्या शैक्षणिक कार्याचा यावर्षी इंटरनॅशनल एज्युकेशनल अवॉर्ड 2020 यामध्ये बेस्ट स्कूल म्हणून जो अवॉर्ड त्यांनी देऊ केला आहे त्याबद्दल त्या निवड समितीचे मी अतिशय मनापासून ऋण व्यक्त करतो. एज्युकेशन शैक्षणिक क्षेत्रामध्ये मिळालेला हा सर्वोत्तम शैक्षणिक पुरस्कार स्वीकारताना मला मनस्वी आनंद होत आहे. या पुरस्काराच्या माध्यमातून मिळणारी ऊर्जा ही निश्चितच माणूस घडवण्यासाठी उपयुक्तेने आहे. देशाला या विश्वाला नक्कीच एक वेगळा दृष्टिकोन, एक वेगळी दिशा या कार्यातून मिळू शकते आणि त्याबद्दल मी पुन्हा एकदा सर्वांचं मनापासून ऋण व्यक्त करतो. धन्यवाद. जय भारत.
Next we have the Best School of the Year award, and the award goes to St. Anandram Jaipuriya School.
Hello, I am Anadi Anand, Director of St. Anandram Jaipuriya School, Mirzapur. I feel immense pleasure for being our school selected for the International Education Awards in our first year of the establishment. I really appreciate the work of the entire team by which people get more motivated for doing their work. Once again, I show my gratitude towards International Education Awards. Thank you. Have a great time ahead.
Next we have India's first Vedas inspired preschool, and the award goes to Bela Mente Preschool. Next we have the Best Education Counselor, and the award goes to Amit Nagar. Next we have the award for contribution to education community, and the award goes to Ramyashri D.
Hi, this is Ramyashri D from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. I work for a private institution as an English teacher. I would like to reminisce a quote of Walt Disney which says, "All of us can have our dreams come true until we have the courage to pursue them." Yes, this is truly a dream coming true moment for me. I am very much happy and elated for being selected in the International Educational Award. I am the recipient of the International Educational Award 2020. A big thank you for the panel for having selected me. Once again, I am very much privileged and honored to receive the award. Thank you.
Next we have the award for Best Education Counselor, and the award goes to Dr. Dattatray J. Sathe. Next we have the Best Director of the Year, And the award goes to Binu B. Pillai.
Hello friends, myself Binu B. Pillai. I'm really feeling very delighted to get the Director of the Year award for 2020. I'm thankful to the jury panel of Kitescraft Productions for selecting me as the Director of the Year. I'm working for the past 20 years in the education sector, and I know how an award is a motivation factor to do more for the sector. Once again, I will thank all the jury panels, Kitescraft Productions, to make me proud by selecting me for this precious award. Thank you so much.
Next we have the Best Education Counselor, and the award goes to Brar Bhushan Jha. Next we have the award for contribution in health awareness, and the award goes to Pagila Sai Dulu.
Hi, good day to everybody. My name is Pagila Sai Dulu from Telangana state. I am working as a secondary teacher in NPPS Jajreddigudam, Suryapet district. I am very happy to share my feelings about International Educational Awards 2020. I am selected for International Educational Awards 2020 for contribution in health awareness. I feel very happy. I am thankful to the selection committee who selected me for this auspicious awards. I am dedicating this award to my parents, family members and well-wishers of me. I feel this award as a gift of universe. I am very thankful to this awards committee. Thank you very much.
Next we have the Best Principal of the Year, and the award goes to Dr. Gunu Sidhu Chakrabarti. Next we have the Innovative Principal of the Year, and the award goes to Meenakshi Narula. Next we have the Innovative Professor of the Year, and the award goes to Dr. R. Jayakarthik.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Jayakarthik Ramachandran. I am currently working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science in Wales Institute of Science, Technology and Advanced Studies, Pallavaram, Chennai. Actually, I am basically from Madurai, popularly called Thunganagar. It is one of the cultural capital of Tamil Nadu and it is famous for the historical monuments, temples, Tamil culture, fresh jasmine and its authentic foods. A big thank you to the jury for selecting me to receive the International Educational Award for the Innovative Professor for the year 2020. I am having my degrees and doctorates related with computer science. I have started my career as a programmer. After that, I have changed my profession as a teacher towards a passion towards my teaching. Over the years, I have progressed many students in many institutions. I wanted to make the world as a better place. Education provides knowledge, skills to the population as well as shaping the personality of the youth of a nation. Education changes in a man's conduct of life. It is upgrading of a man's ability to choose the best alternative available in any circumstance he faces. I would like to thank all those people who has contributed to my success some way or the other. I want to show my dedication to my family for this award. Without my father, any achievement is impossible. My father gave me extreme guidance and support with all the necessary resources for chasing my dream. Also, I thank my husband, mother and my sons, and I am very much grateful to them. I would like to thank my chairman of our institution, Dr. Aisari Ganesh, Vice Chancellor, Registrar, HOD of my department, gave me the liberty to learn new teaching learning techniques. Of course, students and parents who always supported me to learn new techniques in a positive manner. I am also grateful to all my faculty members, friends, well-wishers who has always supported me in all ups and downs. I humbly accept this award with a great pleasure and thank the jury and organizers of International Educational Award 2020 for recognizing my efforts and ideas. Thank you very much, one and all, and stay safe.
Next, we have the Best Researcher of the Year award, and the award goes to Madhuchandra Lakshman Bhusare. Next, we have the Best Teacher of the Year, and the award goes to Nirmala Nitin Kamble.
Hello, all respected teaching fraternity. I'm happy and blessed to be a teacher like you all. I myself, Nirmala Kamble, a professor from Thakur Polytechnic, Mumbai, had been in this noble profession for the past 22 years, and believe me, I have enjoyed every gist of it. We as a teacher play a very essential role in the student's life. Not only we teach them the given curriculum, but it's our moral responsibility, and we do it, that we imbibe in them the most important life skills required for their future, like developing the moral values, social etiquettes, how to treat other students, be friendly with the classmates, and many more required qualities which make them a responsible citizen of our country, India. This is because a good teacher has the power to change the life of the student, ignite in them the most perfect way, so that our students can serve the society, the nation, and his own life very positively. And I am proud to be one among you. Thank you, Pridescraft Production, on this International Education Award ceremony, and congratulations to all the teachers and the educationalists for their great achievements. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you.
Next, we have the award for contribution to education community, and the award goes to H.M. Moinuddin.
Hi, my name is Moinuddin. Work as professor in Wales Institute of Science, Technology and Advanced Studies. I thank International Education Awards for nominating me for the category of contribution towards the education community. I also appreciate International Education Awards on acknowledging the expertise in the field. In my experience, I have noticed many students need placements, especially in this present scenario. I was continuously focused towards the student placements start from the beginning. Not only apart from taking regular classes subjects, I also focused to improve their abilities through the soft skills. I used to take soft skills which will improve their interpersonal skills, like their communication skills, how to speak, how to introduce about themselves when they meet the employer, and not only that, that adaptability in the feel like after getting the job, how to be continuing, like sustaining in that particular position. So all these things I felt that is very necessary for the students. So I have been teaching this apart from my subjects. So I feel that I believe that I am truly deserved for this category. Thank you.
Next, we have the Innovative Professor of the Year, and the award goes to Randy Max Bullockwitt. Next, we have the Innovative Teacher of the Year, and the award goes to Mohammad Mansa.
Good morning. I, Mr. Mohammad Mansa from District Riyasi, UT of Jammu and Kashmir. I am working as teacher since 2009 in Government Middle School Koskund, which falls in zone Mahor of the district. And since last some years, I am working as a teacher trainer, come district resource person under the Chief Education Officer Riyasi. My focus is bringing back the out of school children to the schools and to implement the 5-step lesson plan pedagogy in the schools, for which I am working with the enrollment drives, Fit India and various other national movements. For my work, I have been selected for the International Education Award 2020, for which I would like to thank my parent department and to all the organizers of the International Icon Award 2020, and especially Kitescraft Production for inspiring me with such a glorious moment. Thanks to everybody. Jai Hind.
Next, we have the Best Teaching Award, and the award goes to Chintamani Dandia.
Jai Jagannath. Respected to all, I am Chintamani Dandia, an inhabitant of Pallada, District Anugu, and State Odisha. I have been working as an assistant teacher under Government of Odisha School and Mass Education Department. My qualification is MA BEd. Firstly, I had been serving as a headmaster in Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir from 2000 July to 2011 March. Firstly, I congratulate to the organizer of International Education Award as well as the other staffs. I am ever grateful to you as you have been selected me on the basis of my 19 years teaching experiment. I have been trying my level best for children of the neglected and undeveloped slum dwellers instantly. I always apply my innovative method of laugh and be merry for all-round development of children to teach moral science. As a result, all children come to school regularly. Now, I am promised to teach the poor and helpless students to the best of my ability. Thank you. Namaskar.
Next, we have the Outstanding Leadership Principal of the Year, and the award goes to Vandana Ashish Ambolkar. Next, we have the Best Online Education Platform, And the award goes to EduWeb Vision.
Hello and namaskar to all of you. Thanks to International Education Award for giving us an opportunity to be a part of this international organization. We are very thankful to God and thankful to our team and thankful to the people who has supported us since the years. That's why we are here to express our feelings and views towards our beloved organization, EduVision. The motto of the organization is to create a digital arena and to create a computer savvy environment. In the year 2013 it has been created, and with a focus to reach to every single individual and provide them the IT education and the computer education. And the dream was too big, but the resources are so limited, because here in Odisha, Bihar and Jharkhand, the rural areas are more than the urban areas. So we have tried our level best and tried to reach those people who were never aware of education, computer education. Slowly we reached to the people of the states and provided them the computer education through education camp and various training programs. We have 60 to 65 of computer centers across in Odisha.
Next we have the Coaching Institute of the Year, and the award goes to Vidya Study Center Private Limited.
Achieve your prestigious government jobs with Vidya Study Center, the most promising institute of Odisha, specialized in banking, SSC, railway and other government jobs.
चाकरी करिबा सरकारी, जीवन गढ़िबा नुआ करी.
Next we have the Teaching Excellence Award, and the award goes to Professor Vijay Kumar Mishra. Next we have the Best School of the Year Award, and the award goes to RAN Public School. Next we have the Lifetime Achievement Award, and the award goes to Next we have the Innovative Teacher of the Year, and the award goes to Satish BK.
Hi, this is Satish BK from Idiur, Chitradurga district, Karnataka. I am a language teacher. I nominated my resume to International Education Awardee juries in the category of Innovative Teacher of the Year, and it is honor for me to become a awardee in International Education Award 2020. And I am very happy and I am very excited and I am very thankful to jury members to think that I am eligible for this award for Innovative Teacher of the Year 2020. And it is more excitement for me to I become awardee from the International Education Award, and I am very thankful to my parents, my family members, friends and colleagues and my children. Honor me to become a more and more successful in education life. And also thankful to the jury members of International Education Award 2020 who are getting connected to me starting off this awardee function, and again thank you so much from IEA 2020. Thank you very much.
Next we have the award for contribution to education community, and the award goes to Dr. Aparna Sanjay Palekar.
Hi, good evening. This is Dr. Aparna Sanjay Palekar, and I'm super excited to receive this award, which is presented by Kites Craft Production, and I would like to express my gratitude to them for coming up with this kind of wonderful awards. And I am so excited about the award which they are giving me. It's called Contribution to the Education Community. This is my hard work which I have been putting towards the community, and today with this recognition I feel motivated to do my best for the society. Thank you so much.
Next we have the award for best teaching, and the award goes to Dr. Dilip Kumar. Next we have the best teaching award, and it goes to Leena Satpute.
Namaste all. I would like to say thank you IEA for such a wonderful award and appreciation. I really feel that this will boost my confidence and to do better in the field of education industry. I would also like to say congratulations to all of the other nominations and awardees in this education categories. Thank you all.
Next we have the award for contribution to education community, and the award goes to Narendra Kumar Sinha. Next award is for the best teacher of the year, and the award goes to Vinubhai Parmabhai. Next award is for the best teaching, and the award goes to Utpal Barua.
Namaste everyone. I myself Utpal Barua, being a mechanical engineer, yoga expert and national yoga referee belonging from Dibrugarh, Assam, feel honored to announce that I got selected for Educational Excellence Award 2020. I would like to pay my gratitude to the jury members for selecting me for the award, and the entire team of Kites Craft Production for organizing such type of event. At last but not the least, I thankful to my parents, my guru Yogasacharya Subhashish Kaur, my friends, my students and my seniors. Thank you. Namaste.
Next award is for the contribution to education community, and the award goes to Dr. Deepa Das. Next award is for the Coaching Institute of the Year, and the award goes to Bhumika Education Trust.
Hello everyone, I am Vijay, a owner of Bhumika Education Trust. I am thankful to IEA for selecting our institution for this prestigious international award. Basically, Bhumika Education Trust started in the year 2007 by aiming to provide a free education to the poor people, needy people and orphan students. By the grace of God, till 2020, it's still going on. We already provided nearly 300 students a free education. Education is the only solution to make country strong, wealthy and rich. Because needy people given education requirement is very much. So we are identifying by the Bhumika Education Trust We provide them all facilities, including their fees, including their uniforms, and giving a knowledge education to the people. It is our prior duty is to make our country strong. Each and every institutions, as an individual or as organizations, we need to join hands together to make this education is one of the tool for us. We proud to be say Indians because Indian education system is rich in tradition and rich in knowledge. Knowledge based education is always very much required for each and individual. The Bhumika Education Trust is always behind in such a aim that so we nurturing the students in all aspects by providing them not only education but also we made them strong with their courage and their knowledge and their skill and their aim. Whatever they are going to achieve it, we are going to help them in all the respects. Thank you people as a international award juries selecting us as one of the prize winners for this one or the award winners for this one. I am very grateful to you people, and you encourage me to do more to the education field, more to the needy peoples, more to the poor students. It is increased my responsibility to do the best to the society. Thank you one and all.
Next we have the best teacher of the year, and the award goes to Amit Kumar Rajan.
हाय, मैं डॉक्टर अमित कुमार राजन एक ग्रामीण परिवेश से बिलोंग करता हूँ और मुझे आज अपार खुशी है कि मुझे इंटरनेशनल एजुकेशन अवार्ड 2020 के लिए काइट्स क्राफ्ट प्रोडक्शन की ओर से चुना गया है। मैं तहे दिल से सभी सदस्यों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ जो आप लोगों ने इस लायक मुझे समझा है, और मैं अपने एकेडमिक रिकॉर्ड और अपने कार्य के प्रति मैं आश्वस्त भी था कि मुझे कभी ना कभी कोई मुझे प्राइज़ मिलेगा, और वो आज आप लोगों की वजह से वो कार्य पूरा हुआ। और मैं ग्रामीण परिवेश में रहने के साथ साथ मेरे साथ बचपन से ही बहुत सारी समस्याएं आई, लेकिन फिर भी मैंने एजुकेशन में पीछे नहीं रहा। मैंने पीजी करने के बाद जब मुझे नौकरी मिली इंटर कॉलेज में, तो मैं खासकर जहाँ पर ग्रामीण बच्चे आते हैं उस जगह हमारी पोस्टिंग हुई, और मैं आज तक लगातार 4 वर्षों से उन बच्चों का मैं सेवा करता आ रहा हूँ, उनको एजुकेट करने का कार्य कर रहा हूँ। और इस दौरान भी मैंने पढ़ाई जारी रखी, और जब मैंने पीएचडी कंप्लीट किया तो मुझे इस दिशा में और आगे बढ़ने की लालसा बढ़ी कि नहीं, मुझे समाज के लिए और कुछ करना चाहिए। तो इस तरह मैंने अपना एजुकेशन पूरा किया, और फिर से मैं काइट्स क्राफ्ट प्रोडक्शन के जितने सदस्य हैं उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, तहे दिल से धन्यवाद।
Next award is for the best online education platform, and the award goes to Commonwealth Educational Media Center for Asia. Next we have the best principal of the year, and the award goes to Nitin Om Prakash Tupekar. Next we have the best teaching award, and the award goes to Usha Tengse. Next award is for the contribution to student development, and the award goes to Dr. C.L. Maurya. Next award is for the Best Professor of the Year, and the award goes to Dr. Ratan Bhattacharya ji.
Hello, good morning. This fine morning, I wish you all the best. I feel privileged to be honored as the Best Professor of the Year 2020 from International Educational Awards Committee. I am Professor Dr. Ratan Bhattacharya ji, Associate Professor and Head, Postgraduate Department of English, Damdam Motijil College, and former International Visiting Faculty. I am very much happy to be part of this community and to be recognized as an educator. I think education is basically an inspiration, basically imparting wisdom rather than information and data. I am very happy that you honored me, you recognized me for my teaching, for my service to the student community over the decades in PG and UG level. Thank you so much.
Next, we have the Best Language Teacher of the Year, and the award goes to Shivani Ghosh.
Hi, I'm Shivani Ghosh from St. Stephen's School, Chandigarh. I'm extremely honored to receive the Best Language Teacher of the Year award. I'm honestly grateful to International Education Award for recognizing my talent and for helping me reach a stage where I can proudly hold my award as a mark of my achievement. Thank you.
Next award is for the Coaching Institute of the Year, and the award goes to Brahmand Vedic Institute of Science. Next award is for the Best Teacher of the Year, and the award goes to H. Rudresha.
Very good morning to everybody. Myself, H. Rudresh, working as a physical education teacher, Sri Jai Bharati Cooperative High School, Atibele, Anekal Taluk, Bangalore, Karnataka. I have been selected for the Best Teacher Award Year International Education Award 2020. I would like to thank honorable respected jury team members for considering my work towards education field. Thank you one and all.
Next award is for the contribution to student development, and the award goes to Eliama Matthew. Next award is for the Best Teaching, and the award goes to Burrell John Robert. Next, we have the Best Teaching Award, and it goes to Devi Radhakrishnan. Next award is for the Best Principal of the Year, and the award goes to Hamida Khader.
Hello everyone. I am Hamida Khader, the principal of MES Indian School, Doha, Qatar. I hail from Kerala, God's own country, the land of hospitality and cultural heritage. I feel honored to be the recipient of International Education Award 2020 for my achievements and contribution in the field of education at international level. I am a postgraduate in English literature, and I have a diploma in child psychology. I have also been awarded honorary doctorate for the endless service in the education sector. Being a teacher was my passion, and I've joined this institution in 1991. A teacher is the only person who gets a chance to mold an individual, or rather a child. and we are the ones who shape the future. My passion for teaching began at a very early age. It's a passion that has given me the strength to go forward. I believe that serving the education sector is a blessing where we are given the opportunity to mold the future. Teaching profession is the best profession, and teachers are the one who shape and create other professions. This award I owe to the Almighty and to my parents. I owe a debt of gratitude to my family and the school management for guiding me and supporting me thick and thin. I extend my sincere gratitude to all my teachers and my parents for supporting me in winning this award. During my tenure as a teacher and as a vice principal and as a principal at large, I have got the opportunity to be close with the kids and to reach out to them. My passion has always been to guide the students who are less fortunate, or rather the ones who are less gifted. Inclusive education has been my passion. Some of the innovations that I have started in my school is Water Bell. It has been noticed that there are breaks for children for breakfast or for washroom breaks, but there has been never break for compulsorily making the children drink water. In order to hydrate the children, I have started this Water Bell in my school, wherein all the kids as well as the teachers have to compulsorily consume at least 1 bottle of water. And this has won a great success not only in my school, and it was practiced in the entire Gulf. Another initiative that I have started in my school, it's a green campus wherein we harvest a lot of vegetables every year. In order to instill the reading skills in children, I've started a project called Readathon, wherein every student has to read minimum of 20 books in a month. The students would be awarded a scholar badge for their great achievement of reading at least 20 books in a month. It's rightly said, some are born great, some achieve greatness, and on some, greatness is thrust. Well, what is the definition of greatness and success? It depends from person to person. I'd like to conclude with a short message. No words can define anyone's character. It's one's commitment, dedication, honesty, and sincerity that we should initiate in oneself in order to succeed. Let's take initiative to make the world a better place to live in. So, stay safe, stay blessed, and stay healthy. Thank you very much.
Next award is for the contribution at international platforms, and the award goes to Saeed S. Nawazuddin. Next award is for the Outstanding Leadership Principal of the Year, and the award goes to Soy Varghese.
I feel very happy to know that I have been selected for International Education Award. And I am very much grateful and thankful to all jury members for getting convinced with my works that I have done in the field of education for the betterment of the society. Getting an award really or directly indicates the acceptance of one's work among the other educationists in the world forum. This award is a prestigious award for me, which indicates that I have the potential to serve the society in a better manner. So this award really gives more motivation and inspiration to work in a better way. Once again, I am very much grateful and thankful to all jury members and the organizers of International Education Award for selecting me and organizing such award ceremonies so that the educationists in and around the world may get motivation and inspiration to work in a better way. Thank you.
Next we have the top 10 schools of the year, and the award goes to Bharat Montessori Matric Higher Secondary School.
My humble pronounce to all the members of International Education Award 2020. I am Mrs. Kantimati Mogna Krishnan, Founder Secretary of Bharat Group of Institutions and Principal of Bharat Montessori Metric High Secondary School, Ilanji, Tamil Nadu, India. We also have a CBSE named Bharat Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School and a B.Ed college named Bharat Institute of Education for Women. I feel much privileged that this IEA award of top school to Bharat Montessori Metric High Secondary School is because of the efforts given by our students, parents and my lovable teachers. And also, most of our students are placed well in society as doctors, engineers, entrepreneurs, professionals like chartered accountancy, etc. And few of them are placed very well abroad too. So, this elevation is because of the team effort given by everybody, like from the management, from the teachers, from the parents and my lovable students. The management also helps deserving students by helping from the trust by giving free education to the students. So once again, on behalf of Bharat Group of Institution, I thank IEA for having bestowed the top school award to Bharat Montessori Metric High Secondary School, Ilanji, and I thank the jury members, the supportive members once again. Thank you one and all.
Next we have the Young Researcher of the Year award, and it goes to Dr. Nitya Manjari Mishra. Next award is for the Best Psychological Counselor of the Year, and it goes to Dr. Salim. Next award is for the Dynamic Teacher of the Year, and the award goes to Ashok Kumar T. Solanki.
नमस्कार, मैं अशोक सोलंकी गुजरात राज्य के सूरत जिले में मांडवी तहसील में श्री तापीवन विद्यालय सरकुई में पिछले 25 साल से माध्यमिक विभाग में शिक्षक के तौर पे कार्यरत हूँ। मेरी स्कूल में 100% बच्चे बच्चियाँ सब स्टूडेंट्स गांव के ट्राइबल है। उनको मैं जीवन में हर संभव मुश्किलों में भी शिक्षा ग्रहण करके प्रगति करना चाहिए, ऐसा मेरा कार्य है और ऐसा मेरा लक्ष्य रहा है। अभी भी मैं इस दिशा में कार्यरत हूँ। इस साल आपकी संस्था के द्वारा डायनामिक टीचर ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड से मुझे सम्मानित किया है, इसलिए मैं आपका शुक्रगुजार हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Next award is for the Best Principal of the Year, and the award goes to Pushpa Yadav.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Pushpa Yadav, an educationist, and I believe that education is the most powerful weapon which can be used to change the world. I started my teaching career as a primary teacher and could become principal of an international school with my sincerity and hard work. In this journey of teaching, or as an educationist for 32 years, I could achieve success being a wife of Army officer and daughter of Air Force officer. I have inherited certain values which were instrumental in my success. I am a postgraduate in sociology and also been awarded honorary doctorate for my contribution and achievements in the field of education. I believe that being a teacher, one should contribute her or his best, and teaching is my passion. I would like to contribute my services to the young generations and rural students till my last breath. I had dreamt of a school, and with the support of my husband, Colonel R.S. Yadav, and my family.
Next we have the award for school with safest environment, and the award goes to Colonel's Smart Kids and Academy. Next award is for the Innovative Teacher of the Year, and the award goes to Dien Nguyen Thi. Next award is for the contribution to student development, and the award goes to Pooja Jain Benjamin.
This is my first award as an educator, and it will be a cliche to say that I'm ecstatic, overwhelmed, elated. Yes, I'm certainly all of this, but more importantly, I am grateful. Grateful to the Almighty, to my parents, to my dear loving husband, my well-wishers, mentors, and all my students, because of whom I am the teacher that I am today. I am the educator that I am today. Thank you, students, for making me feel energetic, young, lively, passionate, and dreamy. It is because of you all that I evolve every day, that I learn every day, that I practice and change myself every day. And as an educator, the only thing I'd like to say is that it is imperative and essential for us to evolve, to change for the changing times, and we have very successfully done so, considering the current pandemic scenario. Thank you.
Next we have the Lifetime Achievement Award, and the award goes to Colonel R.S. Yadav.
Hello everyone, my name is Colonel Ranveer Singh Yadav. It's a matter of honor and privilege to have been conferred upon the International Award in Lifetime Achievement. I come from a very humble family and started my long journey in 1980 by joining Indian Army after having passed my PUC. Thereafter, as a cadet, I started pursuing in equestrian sports and polo, along with my graduation and also the training in different subjects of defense. As an officer, as I grew, represented Indian team in equestrian sports for 11 years, won international and various national medals. I was also honored by the Honorable President of India for performing exceedingly well in equestrian sports. I qualified as a coach level 1 at the international level, started pursuing my judges courses from national to international level 1 to 2 to 3, and today I'm promoted to the status of international level judge 3, which I'm only one from the country India. Along with this,
Next award is for the top 10 principals of the year, and the award goes to S. Lata. Next award is for the innovation in education, and the award goes to MDN Future School, Lakhani. Next we have the best teacher of the year and the award goes to Abdul Rajak.
शुभोदया। सरस्वती माता को प्रणाम करते हुए, मेरा नाम है अब्दुल रज़ाक सिकंदर बीजापुर, रॉयल पैलेस स्कूल जमखंडी, रॉयल पैलेस कॉलेज जमखंडी, यहाँ पर मैं सेवा कर रहा हूँ। 2012 से लेकर 2020 तक मेरा सेवा क्या है कि कार्यरत है। इंटरनेशनल एजुकेशन अवार्ड के लिए मुझे क्या है कि सिलेक्शन किया गया है। किस लिए सिलेक्शन किया गया है कि हमारे रॉयल पैलेस स्कूल के जो निर्देशक हैं बसवराज सिद्धू न्यामगौड़ सर और हमारे प्रधानाचार्य जी रीता जैनर मैडम, उन्हीं के प्रोत्साहन से मुझे इंटरनेशनल एजुकेशन अवार्ड के लिए सिलेक्शन किया गया है। क्योंकि हमारे स्कूल में, रॉयल पैलेस स्कूल और कॉलेज में गरीब के बच्चे पढ़ते हैं। साथ ही साथ हमारे जमखंडी शहर में बहुत सारे गरीब के बच्चे हैं और इनको क्या है कि शिक्षा देना हमारा कर्तव्य है। हमारे स्कूल में सभी गरीब के बच्चों को क्या है कि हम शिक्षा देते हैं और गरीब को बच्चों को पढ़ाने में हमारा बहुत मन लगता है और हम भी उन्हें खूब पढ़ाते हैं। और हमारे रॉयल पैलेस स्कूल में ज़्यादातर किसान के बच्चे रहते हैं। हमारा एक संगठन भी है, कृष्णा तीरा रैत संघ, इसीलिए हमारे स्कूल में ज़्यादातर किसान के बच्चे आते हैं।
Next we have the best teacher of the year and the award goes to Rudramani Aggadi.
Namaste everybody, I am Rudramani Basavaraj Agni from Jamkhandi, Karnataka, working as a language teacher since 13 years. In that, I have served rural as well as urban areas. My intention is that developing the moral values among the students and overall development of the child. Every year I am giving a good result to my institution, and I am inspiring my students to write the poems, stories and the books. Really, I thanks to my guiding, motivating principal Rita Jainar madam and our administrator Basavaraj Siddhu Namgod sir and Sri Anand Siddhu Namgod, who is the chairman of Royal Palace School and PU College, and also the MLA of Jamkhandi. I heartily thanks to International Education Awards organizer, jury members and Skycraft Productions for selecting me as a best teacher of 2019 and 20. And I would like to thank my colleagues with their support, guidance. I reach here. So I once again thanks to jury members of International Education Award, especially thanks to Skycraft Productions, and also I extend my thanks to principal and all my colleagues. Thank you. Jai.
Next we have the Best Folk Art and Culture Institute of the Year, and the award goes to Gunsar Folk Music Institute, Kalakar Bhavan.
Khamangani. This is myself, Baksh Khan, founder and chairman of Gunsar Folk Music School, Rajasthan. We are working for folk art and culture, our traditional historical, the folk music we are teaching to the children, which is our coming generation. And this is the school where we teach more than 500 children around the whole entire folk music community of western part of Rajasthan. And I would like to thanks to jury team for International Education Award as the field of art and culture, folk music, traditional, as a Gunsar Folk Music Institute Jaisalmer is selected for 2020 International Yearly Award for us. I would like to thanks. We are teaching our tradition to the coming generation, which we are protecting from generation to generation, which is since 15 generations. I would like to thanks to the HRH group of hotels. I would like to thanks to the Music Mistro International duo Salim Suleiman, who give us opportunity to protect and promote this kind of art and culture. By the blessing of Maharaja Kumar, Lakshraj Singh Ji Mewar, who protect us historical, traditional folk art and culture still alive for the international and national platform performing. And I would like to thanks the Mahindra and Mahindra Holidays who look after us, who always blessing us to run this school, continue for protect dying art, culture and life for the livelihood artists from western part of Rajasthan. Folk music community children after the education school, they are coming here, we are teaching daily 4 to 5 hours as our traditional language. The children, which their parents has got not enough instrument for learning themselves. Because this community from generation to generation are the folk music, traditional folk music they are protecting and alive and promote and perform around the world. So daily basis we are teaching this school for the children, and every teacher are the who travel international platform by the blessing of Maharaj Kumar, Lakshraj Singh Ji, by the blessing of Salim Suleiman, which is international duo, Music Mistro, who give us a chance to travel around the world. And Mahindra and Mahindra Holiday, who really hardly help to protect this dying art and culture since many years for getting this award 2020 of International Education Award of yearly 2020. We would like to thank jury team who select this NGO from Rajasthan, from the education of folk music school in the field of art and culture from Rajasthan. Come on.
Next award is for the best teacher of the year, and the award goes to Rinki Singh. Next award is for the Innovative Professor of the Year, and the award goes to Dr. Bhargavi D. Hamich.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Bhargavi Hemmige. I head the Department of Media Studies at Jain deemed to be University, Bengaluru. Thank you IEA for choosing me for Innovative Educators Award. I'm overwhelmed. So, our subject, if one needs to teach or train in journalism and mass communication, he or she needs to be innovative. Otherwise, it is very difficult to keep the enthusiasm of our students till the end of the program. See, we focus on mainly 5 areas in our training. The first area is we see to it, we give a lot of emphasis to build the creative thinking in our students so that, they will be able to gain both conceptual and theoretical knowledge of journalism and mass communication. And second thing is we give emphasis on problem analysis so that, they try to understand the problem in a systematic manner through research-based knowledge. And the third approach we deal or we use in our pedagogy is to sharpen their investigative skills, because that is also very much required in this profession, where we are overloaded with information and most of them are fake news. So that is also very important. And the fifth one is we see that our students communicate very effectively about whatever they are going to say. So being future storytellers and content creators, these are some of the key areas which we focus and see that there is not much gap between the industry needs and the academic training which we are imparting to our students. So this is about it, and we still have a long way to go, and we strive to improve each day and try to keep us current in our endeavor to give the quality education. And at Jain CMS, we always believe that performance, performance is.
Next, we have the award for contributing in student counseling, and the award goes to Sompal Yadav. Next, we have the award for Best Education Counselor, and the award goes to Jharna Rani Rabha.
Hello all. I'm Jharna. I am doing IIT Guwahati as a government service. So I was been working in the research practice from 15 years. So I was faculty in Guwahati Institute of Technology and Assam Institute. And then after that I joined IIT Guwahati from 2005. And this is my experience where I supposed to be get an award, and I'm really thankful to this all the jury members who have selected me as an education counselor. So I was doing very fun. I got the International Education Award as a best education counselor. So I'm so thankful to the jury members and all the respected members, and to the organization, the staff, and all the pupils who have supported me. And I'm also thankful, and I am a son of mother. So I really love my child, and I'm really thankful to my child that because of his shine and because his love, I got this award. And I really wanted to thank you all the pupils who have supported me and they get it here positively, because it is a very good thing that we have a very good energy to bring out myself. So that motive and positive for all the things is, and I was being supposed to got and start off for this awards is, and I immediately implemented an consultancy career, one Facebook group and online consultancy and webinar and seminar. And more than then, I also started to develop a project of education council for my students and at IIT Guwahati and for the society. So I was thinking an educational services, student advisor, education counseling for all the people. So I started up in consultancy careers and from along with my work as a society work. So I thankful to jury members for these educational awards, and I really love to got it your International Education Award. This is my first time and I really love it. Thank you jury members, and really I'm really thankful for all the things. Love you all. Bye.
Next award is for the Innovation in Education, and the award goes to Shri Ashiana Public School.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. S. Bhuvaneshwari from Madurai. Basically, I am a psychologist. I run a school for special needs kids and underprivileged kids, because I always believe that this type of children also need equal education so that in future they can also lead a normal life. Apart from that, I also do lot of NGO work for the empowerment of women in and around Madurai villages. Through our educational trust, Guru Raghavendra Educational Trust, we give education to all the children in and around Madurai and roadside children who are abandoned and are not given proper educations. And I am very, very happy that International Education Award has honored me with the Best Psychologist of the Year 2020 and Best Educator Award for the school Sri Ashiana Public School 2020. I am really very happy and honored to get this award. I once again thank International Education Award, that is IEA, for honoring me with this award. Thank you. Have a great day.
Next we have the Best Psychological Counselor of the Year, and the award goes to Dr. S. Bhuvneshwari.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. S. Bhuvneshwari from Madurai. I run a school of my own for special kids and underprivileged kids. Basically, I am a psychologist and I do lot of NGO work for the empowerment of women in villages near and around Madurai. I believe that future India lies in the hands of the villagers. I think every child has the right to learn. So we feel that underprivileged kids should be given a chance to learn and study so that in future that children can come up in life. I am very, very happy that International Educator Award has given me the Best Psychological Counselor 2020 and Innovative Educator of the Year 2020. And I thank IEA for giving me this opportunity and honoring me with the award. Thank you.
Next we have the Best Teaching, and the award goes to Firoz Khan Chinchani. Next we have the award for Best Infrastructure Provider, and the award goes to Indros Learning Hub Private Limited. Next award is for the Best Education Counselor, and the award goes to Dr. Anmol Sharma. Next award is for the contribution to agriculture community, and the award goes to Vishal G.V.
Hello, good evening. Myself, Dr. Vishal Gulavairagar, working as a subject matter specialist, agriculture extension at Krishi Vigyan Kendra Jalgaon. It is great moment for me being selected as an awardee International Education Conference 2020. This award will encourage me to work with the farmers, which started since 2011. I am really thankful to jury for my selection as the International Education Award 2020 under category Farming Community. I am also thankful to my whole family for constant support throughout my career. Special thanks to farmer who motivated me to working with passion and zest.
Next award is for the Best Innovative Learning Tools, and the award goes to Ruby Taneja.
Hello everyone, I, Ruby Taneja, a passionate educator and an effective administrator working as school head at Aravali International School, Greater Faridabad, possess a progressive and enthusiastic personality with a flair of mentoring and coaching for a career spanning over 16 years. It is a huge honor for me for being nominated for International Education Award in the field of top innovative learning tools. It is said that 21st century learners should be curious, imaginative and open-minded. As the world moves forward to innovation and creation, a change surely needs to start from a knowledge space. Taking all the possibilities in mind and mapping learners' growth along, we plan various integrated and innovative technical learning tools for our young minds to ignite and spark their imagination, and thereby allowing students to collaborate and engage with peers beyond geographical barriers. Various innovative tools was a great benchmark this year. that upgraded students to explore, research, and use all the tools to uncover something new. Our students have set the high goals in linguistics, mathematics, sciences, creative arts, physical studies, and technology on their quest of happiness and contentment. Technology, when integrated into the curriculum, revolutionizes the whole learning process. More and more studies show that technology integration in the curriculum improves students' learning process and the learning outcomes as well. Teachers who recognizes computers as problem-solving tools change the way they teach, and that's what we did. In the nutshell, I can only address that curriculum of a school should be such that it suits the needs of the time, which is versatile and dynamic in approach, fluid in an adaptation of the new possibilities, provide a hook to the child's curiosity and making him or her independent of the times, because ultimately we should not forget that whatever the product actually what we are creating today has to serve the market, I think around after 10 to 15 years in time. Thank you.
Hello, I am Janardhan Pandya, born in 1957. I postgraduated in English in 1970. In 1971, I was appointed as a lecturer in English in Shivpati Inter College, Shoratgarh, Siddharthnagar, UP. I was keenly interested in games and sports and also extracurricular activities. I remained the chief editor of my college magazine, Shakya Jyoti. It was I who named the magazine Shakya Jyoti, and its logo also was given by me, Vidya Amritam Ashmite. I was very particular about discipline. I always maintained discipline in class, and I persuaded my students to maintain discipline, to remain regular in the class. I don't remember ever I had missed any class in my 39 years tenure as a teacher. In 2009, I retired as a lecturer in English from Shivpati Inter College, Shoratgarh. I feel greatly obliged to IEA, who have deemed to select me as an awardee. Thank you.
I mean, the list is on and on and on, because this tool of education is not just used by you or me, it is used worldwide to bring that unity, discipline in our lives, and above all, a change and growth in the society. I hope and wish that this tool is used as the best source to grow any nation. This International Education Awards 2020 is just one step, our contribution in celebrating each and every one of you. All the educationists, teachers, schools and colleges, universities associated with International Education Awards 2020. I congratulate each and every one of you on behalf of Kites Craft Production. We have done our part in celebrating you. Now it's your duty to celebrate education. This is Tony Thomas signing out from International Education Awards 2020. Have a beautiful journey and a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.